No, what? Whose car is it? Because that plate don't belong on it. That plate. Do you have your paperwork with you?
$3 1050.
21, David. Do we have any reports of a red Mitsubishi that's been involved in an accident?
I don't have any calls holding, and the Tom unit that took that accident earlier, I think it was just a hit and run. No vehicle info on the HR vehicle.
Okay, because this one smells like it was just got some severe front end damage, and smells like it's still like smoldering a little. Open your door. Open your door.
Nothing's accused that's been called in yet.
Open your fucking door. $21 David 998.
David advising 9986 in Glendale, just south. I need units to start. 20 David inbound. 22 Edward.
Get on the ground!
22 Edward, units stay off the air for 21 David. Units advise 61 Glendale, just south. All units hold traffic for 61 and Glendale.
Get on the ground! Get inside your house!
Adam 68.23.
Get on the ground! Get back in your house! Get on the ground! Get away from the house! Get inside your house! Do not reach for that gun anymore! 21 David. Have fire stage for me. Have fire stage. 61 in Glendale, just north.
61 in Glendale, just north. Units continue holding traffic. Fire staging. Lieutenant, copy.
Is this house?
Stay inside your house! The gun's in front of him.
Okay.
Stay inside! Stay inside your house! Get in your house! Be advised, I have one subject with gunshot wound.
Copy, one subject with gunshot wound.
It's right there in front. Okay. Do not move! Do not reach for that gun again! Do you understand me?
You alright? Where'd you hit at?
I think in the back.
Okay.
Do you have any other guns on you? Yes or no? Do you have any guns, other guns on you? Yes or no?
Get inside the house!
Get in your house! You just had one. Do you have any others? Let me see your left hand. We'll get you help, but let me see your left hand slowly.
Go ahead and take your left hand and put it straight up, nice and slow, bro. All right, well then you need to roll over face down. Face down where we can see your hand. Face down. Keep rolling, bro. We're not coming. Hey, we're not coming to you until you can get face down. Help yourself.
Continue holding traffic. They're addressing the passengers.
Continue holding traffic, addressing the passenger.
Bro, you need to get face down. We got to see your hand. We cannot come to you. Keep rolling. Keep
If I
rolling.
could have a unit on Lamar, just
Do your
west
best.
of 61 Avenue.
Need a unit 61 on Lamar, just west.
The house is related, dude. They came out and there was a girl screaming just for info. We need a shield though for sure.
61 on Lamar, just west.
Adam 16, can we get a supervisor with the shield? The house we're in front of is going to be related to the subject.
House with subject involved. We need a unit with a shield.
David, I'm 23 there. I have a shield.
Copy 20 David arrived and unit with a shield still needed. 61 on Lamar. Sorry for 61 and Glendale just off the house.
You in the house. You stay in the house. You understand? Stay in the house.
Shut the window and get away from the window.
Stay inside the house. If you're going to the police department, you're giving a lawful order to stay in the house. Do not come out.
Engine fire, we're still holding traffic. Have you stayed?
That last unit that went 23 on Lamar, can you take the alley east
The gun's right there, okay? You see the gun?
Yeah.
the target house?
We need the
You
shield
want
to
me
go
to
up
do
to
that,
get
or
us
I have a
medical
rifle?
help, bro. And then shield the front door, please.
Take the alley east.
While we're taking into custody.
Yes.
All right.
When the shield comes up, I want the shield past him, and then the shield at the front door. Do you understand? Listen, guys, for a second, guys.
That's what we're waiting on.
Okay, listen for a second. When we go up, the shield goes over him. Cover that door for us, okay?
Yeah.
All right. I need two to glove up. We're gonna take him into custody. You understand?
22.
Two to glove up.
You have a shield?
The gun is right here. There's no other female.
Negative, we need a shield.
Okay.
Do you have any units with the shield that can answer up?
And be advised, guys. Be advised. I need two with gloves on. Let's get gloves on.
David, can you check with
I'll
our
go with
side?
whoever has the shield.
Yes, we're doing that now.
Go on that side
Okay, I
over there.
have,
Cover that
43
window
Bravo
right there.
1017.
Door. Go over there. There's somebody. There's
Like
somebody in the
there's
house.
three at least in the house.
Okay. Okay. You.
Let's just move past, and then we'll drag him out north. We're gonna drag him north. You understand? Let's get him north, and we'll lock the house down at that point.
I sent someone to go get a shield already. You got it.
31, yeah, copy 23, just south, 6, 1 in Lawrence.
Copy 6-1 in Lawrence, just south.
I heard something about an alley. What alley do you need covered?
Hey, Bill, can you cover the alley to the east?
10-1.
And the target residence is going to be 6817.
You know what, guys? Here, a second. Come through the north, and I'll hold. Get units, make a team, come through the north. You guys understand? I will hold this. Me and Cody will hold this. You guys form a team, come through the north and use the vehicles. Okay?
Okay, 23, David. I'm sorry, you're taking the alley. Which direction?
East of 6-1 on Lamar. We can use another unit on the north end, just on the window.
He's saying he can't move his arm, dude.
Copy that.
You, Anthony, and Cody cover the
Okay.
front. We'll do that.
Wait a second. Okay, you're gonna do a rescue on this guy, is that what you're telling me?
We need to get him out of there because he's hurt. So what we're gonna do is I want units to go that way, and you guys are gonna use the cars and let's pull them out and get some fire treatment, okay? Me and Cody. Listen, right here. It's right here on the dirt. Let's go. Let's go. We'll hold. You and I will hold. You and I will hold.
And units, I took off the channel marker, but we're still 10:45.
Sam 37, I'm 23 on scene. I have breaching tools if needed.
Sam 37, copy on scene with breaching tools. 20, David, copy.
Hey, 10-4, we just need a shield. We're not going to have to breach anything. We just have a house with some questions associated with that car. We're trying to extract the victim back here so fire can roll in.
21 David to 20 David. Be advised the subjects inside are going to be related to this subject. It was a female that came out screaming. I saw at least 3.
Okay, are you guys able to make loud speakers over a loud system and see if they can come out?
I'm sure somebody can. Hey, why don't you get on the loudspeaker and let's have the subjects come out, please. One by one, hands up.
Fire roll into 6-1 in Glendale. We've got the subjects extracted back to there. Should be a safe location for them to work on it.
Copy to 6-1 in Glendale. Glendale fire engine, copy.
What's that, brother? We got 3 at least in there.
You know there are 3 inside. One at a time, put your hands up.
They shut that window now?
I don't know.
It was open.
20, David, are you taking command?
Yeah, I'll have command on 618.
Hey, Cody, can you see that window now?
Yeah, the window's shut and they covered the, they put the curtain in. I can't see.
I'll probably get on the last seat. I'll borrow it.
Alright, I got a female looking through it, looks like a kid. You got a female coming through the front door? No, female's looking
out
through
the
the front window. Looks like a kid.
Make it now.
Lincoln 2.
Lincoln 2.
They closed the
If we can
curtain.
keep all this traffic on Channel 1 and Channel 4 can work both north and south, and I'll be 23.
10-4 Lincoln 2 advising all units be on this channel for the traffic on Glendale. Any unit not working this channel, 1050 to Channel 4. Channel 4 will resume city traffic.
I'm right behind you, brother.
I know. You good?
Yep. Just making sure I got no holes in me, dude.
44 Edward will be giving announcements to the house. We've got our immediate action team set up just north, so we'll be calling them that way.
Copy, making announcements
I
to the
just
house.
checked my
Immediate
setup.
action team set up to the north to make them come out.
Glendale Police Department. If you look outside, you can see that they have full safety around it. There's nowhere for you to go. We don't want anybody here to get hurt.
You can.
Hey, come on outside, you guys. Come outside. One at a time. Come outside.
Cam, I'm closer. Let me get the announcements in, okay?
Yeah, 10-4.
They opened the window, so
Oh,
you should be able to...
You just open the front window if you can announce again, please.
Hey, come outside.
Us.
Do it now. Come on. Nobody's going to be hurt. Just come out one at a time.
You got one female coming outside.
Hey, ma'am. We just need to make sure everybody's okay, so have them all come out for us, please. That's fine.
And then I want you to walk right through here, okay? Just come right here. Okay. How many people are in the house? Okay, come out this way.
Go ahead, sir.
I need you to come back here to command.
If there's kids in there, bring them out.
Copy. One with him. Come with him. Jen, carry him up. Give me carry somebody up. Jen, go with him because it's females.
Okay.